Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video we're going to be replacing the Serpentine belt. We're actually just showing you how to take it off and put it back on. It's a 2002 Chevy Impala with the 3.8 liter engine. Tools you'll need are 8, 10, 13, and 15 millimeter either wrenches or socket and ratchet. You can use either one, and make sure you find your belt routing diagram on your vehicle. Okay, with an 8 millimeter wrench, disconnect your negative battery cable. You can see your belt runs here. This is your tensioner right down in here. Okay, if you have the right wrench, you can probably get your belt off without removing your coolant tank, but it only takes about 5 minutes and it makes it a whole lot easier. So we're going to just remove the coolant tank first. Two 13 millimeter bolts that hold this brace. Okay, and we'll fast forward through some of this. We use fast forward quite a bit in the video just to get through the monotonous stuff. And then two 10 millimeter nuts that hold the coolant tank itself. Lift the tank up and out. Put it over there for now. Just find your belt routing diagram. Okay. If you can't find this on your vehicle and you have a Serpentine belt, make sure you take a good couple pictures of how the belt's routed, because this will help you a lot when you put the belt back on. So your alternator here, and this is your tensioner right down here. 15 millimeter wrench. Put it on there, push down, and then you can just take your belt, take it off of the alternator, and let your wrench back slowly. Okay. And then to remove the belt the rest of the way, you pull it down off of your power steering pump down there. And take it off your water pump. Your AC pump way down there. And then flip it down and off of your crank pulley. Pull it up and out. We're going to put the belt back on, and what we're going to do is get it down around the crank and the AC pulleys first, and then do all the rest of it secondarily. So I can't really show you when I put it down there, because it's pretty hard to film. Take your belt, put a loop down, reach way down and make sure you loop it right around the crank, and then pull it down and loop it around the AC pulley that's way down there. Okay. Then it comes from the crank and around that water pump pulley, and then it goes up over your tensioner, and then down and around the power steering pulley. Okay, and you have the belt basically right here. You hold on to, just check and see, so that you can kind of push it onto our crank pulley better. Looks like it's all routed correctly. Then take your wrench again, put on your tensioner, crank it down as far as you can, pull the belt up and onto the alternator, and release your tensioner. You should be all set. Just look down, check, and make sure it's all routed the same way, and it looks good. Okay, and then we'll fast forward just putting those two 10mm nuts on and the two 13mm nuts that hold the strut brace. Tighten those up and you should be all set. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.